I know you are also asking about Kuwait. I was advised to say something about Kuwait. So we have been monitoring the situation on the ground since the attacks on the Kuwaiti International Airport Terminal 1 on June 3rd. And the president has asked us to monitor the situation. No Filipino fatalities during the attack. There was a sole fatality, but he is not of Filipino nationality. However, there are three who were injured. They were all working at the airport, OFW sila. And the good news is they are out of harm's way. One was taken to hospital but has been discharged, treated for smoke inhalation. Two, outpatient. So tatlo sila, right? Isa treated in hospital, nakalabas na. Yung dalawa outpatient, nakalabas na rin. Yung isa siguro yung pinakamalabuha pero minor pa rin under the circumstances. Nagkaroon siya ng injury sa scalp niya at sa arm. So nagkaroon siya ng stitches. Okay? But otherwise, she is perfectly okay. She has been released. We're monitoring her situation in her residence in Kuwait. The third one is a smoke inhalation victim, but very minor. Nagkaroon lang ng konting pagbara sa kanyang baga, but she has been treated on an outpatient basis and again recovering in her residence.